Keep your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. 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 ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्ताम् सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः ते पीयमानं मुदा ऊयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Gita session. We are in chapter 4. We have seen till mantra 24. And we had just begun all the yajnas. And we had finished the first one, that Brahmarpanam we had finished. And before that, we're supposed to do our Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali revisions. And anybody has memorized anything different than last time? Anything anybody has revised?
I
Anybody
have not
revised
done
it?
anything because I was traveling. Only yesterday I came home. Sorry about that because actually I didn't want to attend the class before memorizing it, but I was feeling I should attend in spite of my not trying doing it. Sorry.
Anybody else? Anybody else has memorized anything different than last time? Anybody has taken any effort in last 2 weeks? Okay. Nobody? Yes, sir. Hopefully. The next week there
Yeah.
is again one more. Yes, ji, Arunji.
No, I just wanted to say once for all, Dr. Bharshaji, I find it very hard. I mean, the amount of efforts I have to put in to memorize anything is way over anything else. So please excuse me, pardon me. I don't know how to ask your forgiveness on this. I know you ask every time, but I just want every time I just stay quiet because I think it's not right thing to do. But I've tried many times. It just is not working for me. So I'm so sorry. I would do
Okay.
everything else in terms of revisions and everything, but
Okay.
memorization is just taking me just too much of efforts. So I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
No, it's okay. Fine. Don't say sorry and all. It will still happen. You still put it in your sankalpa, it will happen. Just because it's not done any time, no, and it's a different thing. And it's not used any other time. So it feels difficult. But put it in your sankalpa, it is possible. It will happen. Don't worry. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So, but in next week again, we are having one more break. So we can put that last time when it comes, we sit with something, some part of grammar and start singing it. So the break is because in Trivandrum, that's the biggest women's gathering happening anytime. That is Atotala Pongala. So for that, I have to go. The roads would be closed. I have to travel a day before, and that is happening Wednesday. Thursday is the Atotala Pongala. And today, the things over there starts, the celebration starts. So do read about it, those who are not aware, but it's something very special. Doesn't matter. We'll do the revision now. As long as the concepts are clear, it should be fine. Hmm? So let's begin. And everybody stay ready with your Shabda Rupavali. You know, those who have not switched on the cam also do switch it on. अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग देवशब्दः देवः देवौ देवाः प्रथमा देवं देवौ देवान् द्वितीया देवेन देवाभ्यां देवैः तृतीया देवाय देवाभ्यां देवेभ्यः चतुर्थी देवात् देवेभ्यः देवात् देवे देवादेवाभ्यां देवेभ्यः पञ्चमी देवस्य देवयोः देवानां षष्ठी देवे देवयोः देवेषु सप्तमी हे देव हे देवौ हे देवाः सम्बोधन. Next, who is doing? Somebody do
I will do
akaranta
the
Shabda.
Okay, akaranta napunsakalinga vanashabda. You can do, Sumita ji.
वनं वने वनानि प्रथमा वनं वने वनानि द्वितीया वनेन वनाभ्यां वनैः तृतीया वनाय वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः चतुर्थी वनात् वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः पञ्चमी वनस्य वनयोः वनानां षष्ठी वने वनयोः वनेषु सप्तमी हि वने हि वनो हि वनाः सम्बोधनम्.
Completely wrong. He vana, he vane, he vanani sambodhan.
Okay.
Sumita ji, could you correct it? Why you have written it like that?
He vane hi vano hi vanaः. I have written like this.
That's wrong. You have copied some Pullinga Shabda. It is Napunsaka going. And you have copied some Prathama Vibhakti of Pullinga. He vana. हे वने,
Okay.
हे वनानी संबोधन.
Okay, thank you.
अरुण जी, आकारांत माला शब्द अरुण जी.
माला, माले, माला प्रथमा,
मालाः,
मालाम, माल
मालाः
सॉरी,
विसर्ग.
मालाः, यस यस मैम, मालाः प्रथमा, मालाम, माले, मालाः द्वितीया, माल्या, मालाभ्यां, मालामि तृतीया,
मालाभिः,
मालाए.
sorry, मालामी नो, मालाभिः.
Oh, is it B? Okay. This cards QRC have that so I'll correct it, ma'am. Mala bhi. Mala. So this was Tritiya. Malaye, Malabhyam, Malabhyah, Chaturthi. Malaya, Malabhyam, Malabhyah, Panchami. Malaya, Malayoho, Malanam, Shashti. मालायाम, मालयोः, मालासु सप्तमी. हे माले, हे माले, हे मालाः संबोधन.
गायत्री जी, ईकारांत नदी शब्द.
ईकार नति नतिः नथि नथयः
Sorry, नदी ही नो,
प्रथम
नदी ही is not there. नदी without visarga. नदी, नद्यौ, नद्यः प्रथमा.
one second. नदी नद्यौ नद्यः प्रथमा, नदीं नद्यौ नदीः द्वितीया, नद्या
धी,
नदीभ्यां
don't say the dhi, say alpa pranadi. नदीम नद्यौ, not नदीम नद्यौ. नदी, the alpa prana.
नदीं नद्यौ नदीः द्वितीया, नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः तृतीया, नद्यौ नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी, नद्याः
नद्यौ, no,
नदी
it's not नद्यौ, it's नद्यै.
नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी, नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः पञ्चमी, नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां षष्ठी, नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु सप्तमी, हे नदी हे नद्यौ हे नद्यः संबोधन.
Okay, good. अरुणा जी, इकारांत पुल्लिंग हरि शब्दः. You can unmute yourself, Aruna ji.
हरिः, हरि, हरयः, हरिं,
प्रथमा.
हरिं, हरिं, हरि, हरीन् द्वितीया, हरिणा, हरिभ्यां, हरिभिः तृतीया, हरये, हरिभ्यां, हरिभ्यः चतुर्थी, हरेः, हरिभ्यां, हरिभ्यः पञ्चमी, हरेः, हरयोः, हरीणां षष्ठी, हरौ,
Hare Haryoho, because it's not chanting, you can see your visarga full. Hare Haryoho Harinam Shashti.
षष्ठी, हरेः, हरयोः,
Hare,
हरीणां,
like that don't do. You say it full. It's not Hare, it's not chanting.
ओके, हरेः, हरयोः, हरीणां षष्ठी, हरौ, हरयोः, हरिषु
Harayoho no.
सप्तमी,
Haryoho.
हरयोः, हरिषु सप्तमी, हे हरे, हे हरो,
Hey
हे हरय,
Hari.
हे हरि, हे हरयः संबोधन.
Hey Hare, Hey Hari, Hey Harayah संबोधन. लीलामा इकारांत स्त्रीलिंगमति शब्द.
Harsha, I know it not studied or
Okay, fine.
practiced.
Fine,
But
fine.
after so
सुनीता जी, इकारांत स्त्रीलिंगमति शब्द.
मतिः, मति, मतयः, प्रथमा मतिं मति मतिः द्वितीया मत्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः तृतीया मत्यै मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः चतुर्थी मत्याः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः पंचमी मत्याः मत्योः मतीनां षष्ठी मत्यां मत्योः मतिषु सप्तमी हे मते हे मती हे मत्यः संबोधनम्।
वेरी गुड। गायत्री जी, निकारांत नपुंसकलिंग दधि शब्दः।
दधि दधिनी दधीनि प्रथमा दधि दधिनी दधीनि द्वितीया ददौ
दध्ना
दद्धा
दध्ना
ददिभ्यां
दध्ना दध्ना
दद्धा
दध्ना न दध्ना
दध्ना दध्ना ददिभ्यां ददिभिः तृतीया दध्ने ददिभ्यां ददिभ्यः चतुर्थी दध्नेः ददिभ्यां ददिभ्यः
दध्नः दध्नेनो दध्नः
दध्नः ददिभ्यां ददिभ्यः पंचमी दध्नेः दध्नोः
नो 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 दध्नः अगेन दध्नः
दध्नः दध्नोः दध्नां पंचमी
षष्ठी
दध्नि
what you said now is षष्ठी
षष्ठी दध्नि ददोः दग्नोः ददीषु सप्तमी हे ददे हे ददीनि हे ददीनि संबोधन।
गुड। अरुण जी, उकारांत गुरु शब्द पुल्लिंग गुरु शब्द।
We don't have Guru Shabda, man.
Okay, doesn't matter. अरुणा जी, गुरु शब्द पुल्लिंग।
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः प्रथमा गुरु गुरु गुरून् द्वितीया गुरुना गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः तृतीया गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः चतुर्थी गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः पंचमी गुरोः गुर्वोः गुरूणां षष्ठी गुरौ गुर्वोः गुरुषु सप्तमी हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः संबोधन।
वेरी गुड। अरुण जी, you have उकारांत स्त्रीलिंग धेनु शब्द। Yes, go ahead with it.
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः प्रथमा धेनुं धेनु धेनुः द्वितीया धेन्वा धेनुभ्यां धेनु धेनुभिः तृतीया धेनवे धेनुभ्यां धेवुभ्यः चतुर्थी धेनोः धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः पंचमी धेनौ धेन्वौ धेवुभ्यां षष्ठी। This is
No, 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 no. Sorry,
it should be
again,
no.
again.
It should be
Yes, again.
Dhenubhyam.
No, धेनु नाम।
Okay, okay. The
Say
the
again,
card I have
षष्ठी. So,
just
see, I'll say the Panchami for you. Check it.
okay.
धेन्वाः धेनोः धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः पंचमी।
Okay, yes, ma'am. That's same.
Then
So next is
धेन्वाः धेनोः धेन्वोः धेनूनां षष्ठी।
Dhenunam. Okay, then that's wrong. My notes here say Dhenubhyam.
Yeah.
Dhevubhyam actually. So you should Dhenunam.
Dhenunam. Dhenubhyam will always be dvitiya, dvivachan only.
Okay. So what do we have here? Okay, anyway. Dhenau, Dhenvoho, Dheveshu, Saptami.
Dhenushu.
धेनुषु सप्तमी धेनो हे धेनो हे धेनु हे धेनुवः संबोधन.
Very good. सुमिताजी उकारांत नपुंसकलिंग मधु शब्द.
मधु मधुनी मधुनी प्रथमा मधु मधुनी मधुनी द्वितीया मधुना मधुभ्यां मधुभिः तृतीया मधुने मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः चतुर्थी मधुनः मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः पंचमी मधुनः मधुनोः मधूनां षष्ठी मधुनी मधुनोः मधुषु सप्तमी हे मधु हे मधुनी हे मधुनी सप्तमी संबोधनम.
Very good. अरुणा जी सर्वनाम we will start. दकारांत पुल्लिंग तद शब्दः. अरुणा जी, can you unmute yourself?
सः तौ ते प्रथमा तं तौ तान् द्वितीया तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी.
Very good. गायत्री जी दकारांत स्त्रीलिंग तद शब्दः.
स ते ताः प्रथमा तां ते ताः द्वितीया तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तृतीया तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः पंचमी तस्याः तयोः तासां षष्ठी तस्यां तयोः तासु सप्तमी.
Good. अरुण जी दकारांत नपुंसकलिंग तद शब्दः.
Yeah. ततः ते तानि प्रथमा
ततः न तत् ते
तत् ते तानि प्रथमा तत् ते तानि द्वितीया तेन ताभ्यां तै तृतीया तस्मिन् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी.
Good. सुनीता जी दकारांत कंटिन्यू पुल्लिंग एतद शब्दः.
ओके. एषः एतौ एते प्रथमा एतम् एतौ एतान् द्वितीया एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पंचमी एतस्य एतयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु सप्तमी.
अरुणा जी स्त्रीलिंग एतत् शब्द.
Sorry, I don't have it.
Okay. गायत्री जी
एषा एते एताः प्रथमा एताम् एते एताः द्वितीया एतया एताभ्याम् एताभिः तृतीया एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः पंचमी एतस्याः एतयोः एतासां षष्ठी एतस्याम् एतयोः एतेषु सप्तमी.
एतासु.
एतासु.
You say again. सप्तमी.
सप्तमी.
Say again.
सप्तमी.
No, सप्तमी. Say again.
Oh, I'm so sorry. एतस्याम् एतयोः एतासु सप्तमी.
Good. Okay. Aruna ji, you have a napumsakalinga of etat shabda?
Yes.
Okay. Say.
एतद् एते एतानि प्रथमा एतद् एते एतानि द्वितीया एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु सप्तमी.
गुड. सुमिता जी, मकारांत पुल्लिंग किम शब्दः?
कः कौ के कम कौ कान केन काभ्यां कैः
कहा कौ के प्रथमा
कौ के प्रथमा कम कौ कान द्वितीया केन काभ्यां कैः
केन
तृतीया
काभ्यां.
केन
Don't say
काभ्यां
cane.
कैः
Don't say cane. Cane is not, it's halantana. This is fullna. So don't say cane. Kena kabhyam. Kena.
केन काभ्यां कैः तृतीया कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः पंचमी कस्य क्योः केषां
Not kyo. Not kyo. Kayoho.
ओके कयो कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी.
Good. Gayatri ji, स्त्रीलिंग किम शब्द?
का के काः प्रथमा कां के काः द्वितीया कया काभ्यां काभिः तृतीया कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्याः काभ्यां काभ्यः पञ्चमी कस्याः कयोः कासां षष्ठी कस्यां कयोः कासु सप्तमी.
अरुण जी, मकार नपुंसकलिंग किम शब्द?
किम के कानि प्रथमा किम के कानि द्वितीया केव काभ्याम
केन
केहि.
काभ्यां.
Okay, it should be केन. केन काभ्याम केहि तृतीया तस्मै काभ्याम केभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्मात् काभ्याम केभ्यः पंचमी कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी.
अरुणा जी, अस्मत् शब्द? Please unmute, Mama.
अहम् आवां वयं प्रथमा माम् आवाम् अस्मान् द्वितीया मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः तृतीया मह्यम् आवाभ्याम् अस्मभ्यं चतुर्थी मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत् पंचमी.
Start from Tritiya again.
तृतीया मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः तृतीया मह्यम् आवाभ्याम् अस्मभ्यं चतुर्थी मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत् पंचमी मम आवयोः अस्माकं षष्ठी मयि आवयोः अस्मासु सप्तमी.
गायत्री जी, युष्मत् शब्द?
युष्मत् स्त्रीलिंगम or पुल्लिंगम?
It is Trilinga, no? Trilinga. Asmad and Yushmad are Trilingakaha. In all the three lingas, they are same. It doesn't have Strilinga or Pullinga.
या ये याः.
No, Yushmad Shabda. Okay, Sunita ji, say Yushmad Shabda.
त्वं युवां यूयं प्रथमा त्वां युवां युष्मान्.
You don't have the second one. Tvam Tva, Yuvam Vam, Yushman Vaha, Dvitiya.
Okay. त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान् वः द्वितीया त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः तृतीया तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः चतुर्थी त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत् पंचमी तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः षष्ठी त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु सप्तमी. Gayatri ji, you have yad pullinga shabda?
Yes. यः यौ ये प्रथमा यं यौ यान् द्वितीया येन याभ्यां यैः तृतीया यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः चतुर्थी यस्मात् याभ्यां येभ्यः पञ्चमी यस्य ययोः येषां षष्ठी यस्मिन् ययोः येषु सप्तमी.
Arun ji, Strilinga yad shabda?
I have only Napunsik Yat Shabda.
Okay, then I'll come back to you. Aruna ji, yad Strilinga?
या ये याः प्रथमा यां ये याः द्वितीया यया याभ्यां याभिः तृतीया यस्यै याभ्यां याभ्यः चतुर्थी यस्याः याभ्यां याभ्यः पंचमी यस्याः ययोः यासां षष्ठी यस्यां ययोः यासु सप्तमी.
Good. Arun ji, you can say the Napunsakalinga
I'm
now.
sorry, I'd saved it as Ya. Sorry, I'd said it as Ya. Striling Shabd Ya, not Yad.
Shabda is yad, ya is its prathama ekvachan.
Okay, so it's, I don't know, somehow it's saved. Okay, I'll correct it.
Dakaranta
Yes, ma'am.
Strilinga.
Okay. So Dakarant Napunsik Ling Yat Sab. Right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Yat Ye Yani Prathama. Yat Ye Yani Dvitiya. Yen Yabhyam Yehi Ritya. Yasmai Yabhyam Yebhyah Chaturthi. Yasmat Yabhyam Yebhyah Panchami. Yasya Yayoho Yesham Shashti. Yasmin Yayoho Yeshu Saptami.
Good. Samita ji, let's go for the Dhatu Rupavali. Patha Shabda, all the four you say Vartaman, Bhutkal, Prerana and Bhavishyat.
I have memorized it.
Yay! Congratulations! Excellent. Let's hear you.
पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठथः पठथ पठामि पठावः पठामः भूतकाल अपठत अपठताम अपठत
Sorry, apatata, don't say apatat. You say.
अपठन
No. Starting
Apatat.
starting from beginning you start.
अपठत अपठताम अपठन अपठः अपठतम अपठत
Apatata.
अपठाव अपठाम.
No, my dear. One minute. This Madhyam Purush, Bahuvachan, what you are going to say?
अपठः अपठतम अपठत.
Apatata. Ta you say full. Because if you say apathat, that is the Pratham Purush Ekvachan is apathat. Madhyam Purush Bahuvachan, you cannot say apathat. It is apatata. It is without
अपठत.
tahan.
Okay.
Good.
Got it.
Good game.
Then prerna पठतु पठताम पठन्तु पठ पठतम पठत पठानि पठाव पठाम.
Excellent.
Then भविष्यकाल पठिष्यति पठिष्यति पठिष्यतः पठिष्यन्ति पठिष्यसि पठिष्यथः पठिष्यथ पठिष्यामि पठिष्यसि पठिष्यामि, पठिष्यावः, पठिष्यामः.
Very good. Excellent. Well done, well done, well done. Okay. Good, good, good. Now, Atmanepadi Vanda Dhatu. Who is doing it? All the four. Arunji,
I don't have, ma'am.
you don't have
Only
it?
I have, yes, I have as dhatu only.
Okay. So, Vanda Dhatu, Atmanepad, Gayatri ji, you have? No.
No, I don't.
Aruna ji, you have?
I can do it.
Okay, do Sumita ji, please do it.
आत्मनेपदी वंद धातु वंदे वंदते वंदेते वंदन्ते वंदसे वंदेथे वंधवे वंदे
Vandadve.
वंदावहे
Vandve no.
वंदामहे.
Vandadve. Vandadve.
ओके वंदध्वे
Hmm.
वंदध्वे वंदे वंदावहे वंदामहे भूतकाल अवंदत अवंदेताम
It is not
अवंदन.
halanta. It is not halanta. Avandata.
ओके ओके अवंदत अवंदेताम अवंदन्त अवंदथाः अवंदेथाम अवंदध्वम अवंदे अवंदावहि अवंदामहि. प्रेरणा वंदताम वंदेताम वंदन्ताम वंदस्व वंदेथाम वंदध्वम वंदै वंदावहि वंदामहि. भूतकाल
Vandavahai.
वंदिष्यते
One minute, one minute. One minute.
वंदामहि
Vandai, Vandai. Say again that last line.
वंदै वंदावहि वै वंदामहि.
Hmm.
भूतकाल वंदिष्यते वंदिष्येते वंदिष्यन्ते वंदिष्येषे वंदिष्येथे
Vandishyase. Vandishyase.
वंदिष्यसे वंदिष्यसे
Vandishyase
वंदिष्येथे
no. Vandishyase no, my dear. Vandishyase.
वंदिष्यते
No, my dear.
वंदिष्येथे
No,
वंदिष्य.
no. Can you please wait? That is not one Madhyam Purush. Vandishyase.
वंदिष्यसे
Hmm.
श्यसे श्यसे
Hmm.
वंदिष्यसे
Hmm.
वंदिष्यथे
Hmm. Vandishyethe. Vandishye ye the.
वंदिष्येथे वंदिष्यध्वे.
Hmm.
It is very difficult. वंदिष्ये वंदिष्यावहे
Hmm.
वंदिष्यामहे.
Good, good. So, what I'm feeling now is I will record all this. Okay? All this I will record and I'll post in the group. And instead of chanting it in the class, you all chant it every day with that audio. And in the class, we continue with the regular Gita class. What will happen? Like now, today we have taken quite a long time. So normally we were taking 20 minutes, 25 minutes. But I understand it is difficult. So not that you all don't want to do it. I'm understanding that it's not possible for you all to do it. So instead of giving it up and feeling that it's not possible, daily doing would help. And daily don't do all the words. Pick up in the morning session maybe 2-3 words. Like if you say Makaranta Kim Shabda, then Makaranta Kim Pullinga Strilinga Napunsaka. If you have taken Akaranta in the morning session, then Akaranta Pullinga Napunsaka, like that. If we will do one by one, it might help, but daily. So I'll give the audio of it and you all practice it on your own. And then we will see after about 6 weeks how you all are doing. I'll give, means not, see, class will be happening. After 6 weeks, we'll see in the class whether your Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali, and I will come to know if you all are doing it if you're doing it daily, after 6 weeks, it will flow. And you all will also know how to pronounce it and correct it accordingly in the notebook. So that in the class, we are not spending much time. Not that you all don't want it. Otherwise, the class is also getting stagnant and we are not going past that fourth chapter also. Never mind. You all are taking efforts. I'm very sure. I'm just trying to push it. I have no other work now. So, okay, let's get into our fourth chapter now. Okay. So, since we have chanted so much and so much time is gone, let us spend some more time. Why not? And we have seen first 24 mantras, right? So let us chant those 24. How many we have done? 24 only we have done. Okay. So, how many of you all want to chant? Leelama, you would like to chant? Or no?
Which one? I can
Chapter
chant,
4.
but we don't because chapter
Sorry?
4, which sloka?
No. You can
Any
chant.
sloka?
No, my dear. I'm asking whether you want to chant or not. I want to allocate. You would be able to chant or
Yeah,
not, is the question. Okay.
I
Fine. So,
will chant.
fine. So now I will distribute. So y'all are 5 of y'all are there. So we will distribute. So Sumita ji, you will do first 5. Okay. Arun ji, you will do 6 to 10. Gayatri ji, you will do 11 to 15. Aruna ji, you will do 16 to 20. And Leelama, you will do 21 to 24. Okay. Sumita ji, you can start. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः ज्ञानकर्मसन्न्यासयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच
इमं विवस्वेते योगं प्रोक्तवान् हमव्ययं विवस्वान्मनवे प्राह मनुरीक्ष्वा कवे ब्रवीत एवं परम्परा
कविता न हलन्त एव मनुरिक्ष्वाकवे ब्रवीत्
मनुरीक्ष्वा कवे ब्रवीत् एवं परम्परा प्राप्तं मिमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले
राजर्षयो विदुः इमौ
राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप स एवायं मया तेद्य योगः प्रोक्तः पुरातनः भक्तोऽसि मे सखा चेति रहस्यो ह्रोतदुत्तमम्
रहस्यं
रहस्यो ह्येतदुत्तमम् अर्जुन उवाच अपरं भवतो जन्म परम जन्म विवस्वतः
परञ्जन्म विवस्वतः
परञ्जन्म विवस्वतः कथमेतद्विजानीयान् त्वमादौ प्रोक्तवानिति श्रीभगवानुवाच बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव चार्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्तत् परन्तप
न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप
त्वं वेत्तत्
न
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप
न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप
वेत्थ
वेत्थ वेत्थ न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप
गुड नेक्स्ट 5 अरुण जी
अजोऽपि सन्नव्ययात्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय सम्भवाम्यात्म मायया यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य
अभ्युत्थानः
तदात्मानं
धर्मस्य
ओके सो सॉरी अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
धर्म
धर्म धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम्
जन्म
जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन वीतराग भय क्रोधाः मन्मया मामुपाश्रिताः बहवो ज्ञान तपसा पूता मद्भावमागताः
वेरी गुड गायत्री जी नेक्स्ट 5
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धम् यजन्ते इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा चादुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टं गुणकर्म विभागशाः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम् न मां कर्माणि लिम्पन्ति न मे कर्मफले स्पृहा इति मां योऽभिजानाति कर्माभिर्न स बध्यते एवं जात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वतरं कृतम्
अरुणा जी नेक्स्ट 5
किं कर्म किमकर्मेति कवयोऽप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात् कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः कर्मण्यकर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्मकृत् यस्य सर्वे समारम्भाः कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणं तमाहुः पण्डितं बुधाः त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गं नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः
लास्ट 4 लीलामा
शीर्यतचित्तात्मा त्यक्तसर्वपरिग्रहः शरीरं केवलं कर्म
शारीरं
कुर्वन्नाप्नो शारीरं केवलं कर्म कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम् यदृच्छालाभसन्तुष्टो
सन्तुष्टः
द्वन्द्वातीतो
सन्तुष्टः
यदृच्छालाभसन्तुष्टः द्वन्द्वातीतो विमत्सरः तमसिद्धावसिद्धौ च कृत्वापि न निपद्यते गतसङ्गस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञानावस्थितचेतसः यज्ञायाचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविर्ब्रह्माग्नो ब्रह्मणः
ब्रह्महविः
कृतम्
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नो ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना
enough over there up to there over there only till there only we have done okay, so we have only 5 more minutes left, but we'll just see the verse and then we can come back again. Next week, there's no session. And after that week, we will save the class time. We will directly go into the verses and homework will be on a daily basis now. Okay, let us see.
So I've just written homework in 12th verse. Kankshanti. I don't know what it was. I don't know whether Kankshanti karmana siddhim yagni iha devata. I have just written as homework. I don't know what homework was.
Yajanta iha, that sandhi has to be found out and come.
Oh, yeah, that we have found out, right. Thank you. Sorry.
Okay, let us continue. Okay, so today who Sumita ji has memorized one. No? Sumita ji, come for 25th verse, chant, repeat after me. Daivameva Daivameva yajnam
दैवमेवापरे यज्ञम्
yoginah paryupasate
योगिनः पर्युपासते
ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञम्
ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञम्
यज्ञेनैवोपजुह्वति
यज्ञेनैवोपजुह्वति दैवमेवापरे यज्ञम् योगिनः पर्युपासते ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे
not to say bha, brahma
ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञम् यज्ञेनैवोपजुह्वति.
Good. Okay, so now let us remove all the sandhis first. First word, Daivam eva pare. In that, what we are going to see? Daivam eva apare. So all those are joined because of the swara. There is no sandhi as such over there. Daivam eva pare, Daiva eva apare. Yajnam remains Yajnam. Yoginaha paryupasate, all like that only. Over here now. Brahmagnava pare. Brahmagnau apare. So what is the sandhi?
Yantavanta.
Correct. Yantavanta sandhi. So Yantavanta Brahmagnau au and apare is a. Au and a is giving av. Brahmagnav. Brahmagnau plus apare Yajnam. Then Yajnena eva upajuhvati. Yajnena eva. Yajnenaiva. Vriddhi. Correct.
And that, good.
And eva and upajivhati. O has happened. Then?
Good.
Gunasandhi.
Gunasandhi. Very good. Very good. So Vriddhi
I
and
have,
Gunasandhi yajnena eva upajuhati. Upajuhati is the
uh,
verb like our
Patati.
patati. Like our patati. Very good. Hmm? And
so
paryupasate is the verb like our
Vandate.
vandate. Correct.
but
Correct. Excellent. Excellent. Very well done. Very well done. So now we will just make it into a straight sentence. How it is going to be? Apare yoginaha. So there are other yogis. Yajnam yoginaha paryupasate. Wow, how they do? Brahmagnau apare yajnam yajnena eva upajivhati. So apare yoginaha daivameva yajnam paryupasate. And apare brahmagnau yajnena yajnameva juhati. So how we are going to see the meaning is apare. So some are doing like the brahmagna, that method, which we say brahmarpanam method. Now this is another yajna. So apare. So apare means other. Who other yogis? Yoginaha. So those who are the realized masters, not like you and me worshipping the God. These are already the exalted souls. How are they performing their yajnas? They are taking Daivameva Yajnam Paryupasate. So they are prefer that gods are Daivameva, Deva only. That is only the way to go forward to sacrifice or perform the yajna. And then still there is a second yajna also mentioned over there. And yet there are others. How are they doing? Apare Brahmagnav. In the Brahmagni only, they are doing yajnena by the yajna. Yajnam upajuvhati. They are performing the yajnas. Okay. What I'm going to do is, there was this in Swami Chinmayananda ji's bhashya on that note, on the book, there is one beautiful thing he talked about this. I'll just quote from that. I'll read from that. He's saying the word means now we are saying one is the Deva Yajna, right? And the other one is the Brahma Yajna. So how is he differentiating between the Deva Yajna and Brahma Yajna? There are two yajnas mentioned out over here. Deva Yajna and Brahma Yajna. So here what Swamiji is saying, so our Gurudev is saying that the word Deva comes from the root meaning illumination. That one's Dyotanath Devaha is that one definition. So one that is illuminating, that is Deva. So in that, subjectively, with the greatest Devas are the five sense organs. So see how now one is our understanding of what is Deva. But what Gurudev is saying is the root of Deva word is coming from Dyotanath Deva. So Dyotanath means one which is illuminating. And the greatest Devas are our five sense organs. Why it is said so? Because eyes are illuminating the form. Why I am seeing the laptop is in front of me? Why I am seeing each of the figure? Eye is the illuminating, like and forms and colors also. Likewise, ears are illuminating sounds. The nose is illuminating smell. The tongue is illuminating the taste. The skin is illuminating the touch. So what is this? That the sense organs are the illuminating things. That's why we can able to sense those senses. So the seekers or these perfected masters, these yogis, when they move in the world, no doubt they are perceiving all these sense objects through these sense stimuli. But in their understanding and their experience, perception is but a world of sense object continuously offering themselves into the fire of perception in order to invoke the devas. Are you understanding?
So you and me would say some things and we would enjoy that thing for the sake of that enjoyment. But for a yogi, that sense is coming into the deva, means that sense organ as an offering. I hope this yajna is clear. Anything that is coming to a jnani or a yogi is the offering to the deva. They are not the bhogis. That particular sense organ is the deva and that is getting offered into. So a very beautiful take. This, like last time we saw how our perception towards the food would change. Now the perception towards these sense objects that are dancing in front of us and inviting us each time, and we get ourselves derailed 101 times. Something good food, good music, good touch. We crave for these things, we go behind those and we stay at that because our ego is so very high. We have not gone. So it is for my enjoyment, my joy. I got, I didn't get, I got only so much, I got so much. We have got that sense of worldly objects enjoying that much sensitivity we carry, the joy of it. But here it has to be converted into a yajna that the things that are coming to your sense organs, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, whatever, touch, skin, it is the offering that is coming into the yajna called deva. So these organs are the devas, in that it is getting offered. Very beautiful thought. Huh? So I thought I should just read and convey greater thoughts. When the masters write it, it becomes so very different. Now, for the Brahma Yajna, what Gurudev has to say is, these, so as contrasted with this method, Deva Yajna, there are others who are performing Brahma Yajna, says Krishna. So wherein they come to offer the self as a sacrifice by the self in the fire of the self. So how this statement comes perfectly clear when subjectively analyzed and understood. As long as we exist in the body manifestation, we have to come across the world, Gurudev says, of sense objects, of the world of sense objects. The outer world can yield to us its joy or the sorrow, not by itself, but only as a result of our healthy or unhealthy attitude towards it. So is a phone giving me joy? Maybe it is not. To somebody it is. Thus, phone has a property of giving joy or not. As such, phone is not having a property. It is my association. Is it my association with the healthy, or is it my association with the phone is unhealthy? That is determining the joy or the sorrow. So any object, mango is joy or a sorrow. Not to all it is joyful. Now the season is on. Everybody is not able to enjoy mango. For them, it's not a big fruit. We only in India we will call it as king of fruits is mango. In Singapore, it is durian. So it's a perception. So it's an association. So the objects in themselves are important, Gurudev says, to give us either joy or sorrow. So he has very clearly said important objects are not hanging. So the perfect masters understand that the sense organs are only instruments of perception and that they can work only when in contact with the Supreme, the Atman. So all masters live in this true understanding, allowing the sense organs to sacrifice themselves in the knowledge of Brahman. Why the sense organ is alive itself? Because there is this, why this light, why this fan, why this aircon? On its own, it's nothing. There is this electricity that is going, which is giving me the light or the air or the breeze or the coolness or whatever. So on its own, it is not. So the jnanis are understanding that they can work only when in contact with the Supreme or Atman. Who? The sense organs. All masters live in this true understanding, allowing the sense organs to sacrifice themselves in the knowledge of Brahman. By this statement, seekers are also advised as to how they too can gain a certain amount of freedom from their senses
by dedicating their sense life in the service of the world. When an individual's sense organs of perception and action are to function and act, not for its own egocentric selfish satisfactions, but for the sake of serving the society or the world, then even if such an individual lives in the world of objects, he will not be enslaved by his attachments to his possessions. So as long as we are doing Loka Sangraha, fine. But as long as we are doing a selfish Sangraha, all objects and things we are keeping Sangraha. No, if we have to change our house, then only we know what a headache packing is and how many things we have collected over years. Till then we don't realize. Okay. So here it is clearly. So what is one is a Deva Yajna and the other one is a Brahma Yajna. So eventually in what yajna? So in Brahmarpanam, we have seen this Agni and we are giving offering into this Agni, the belly Agni. My hand is showing on my belly, but in the cab it is not saying. So in the first yajna, in the Deva yajna, what is happening? That the sense objects are as offering to the devas that are sense organs. In Brahma yajna, what is happening is all the sense organs are illuminated by that Brahma. So as long as my jnanendriyas and karmendriyas are used not for my joy, but for betterment of the society, in the understanding that they are getting illuminated by Brahma, that is the Brahma Yajna. So we'll dwell on this thought, how where we have to sacrifice means I'm not saying in the literal English meaning sense, in the yajna where we have to offer juvati, in that sense, offer in what yajna, if we will increase our awareness, what is offered in our sense organs, why the sense organs are illumined, by whom it is illumined, who is having the knowledge. When we expand this, we are living in the yajna format or in the spirit of the yajna. But when we are bringing it down to our egocentric thing, then it is a problem. Then we are not living in the yajna spirit. Then it is a selfish spirit. Okay. Fair enough. So I think we can pause over here. दैवमेवापरे यज्ञं योगिनः पर्युपासते ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञं यज्ञेनैवोपजुह्वति. So we will start marking down how many yajnas we have converted, read. So you all have to also keep writing it somewhere, right? Go back to the book and write it with that understanding, because as the yajnas come, and there is so much for us, and we can pick up one yajna after we finish all the 12 yajnas, and your thoughts are also consolidated. Please think on this line that in the class we have to commit to what yajna spirit for the remaining of 2025 I'll try to live by, whatever attracts me. So then what happens? Then we are on the path. Then we are taking that as a sadhana. The Guru will come in life. Guru will tell us our sadhana. But on our little journey of studying, when we try to grasp that little knowledge, before applying it, he should be like that, that should be applied. Before telling to the world how they should be, how I should be if I can decide, and take a small sadhana. Immediately don't say that this sadhana I want to try for the rest of 2025. So then what will happen? Slowly we are cultivating a yajna spirit. Where are we ready to offer? To what altar our ego we are ready to offer? So this, I'm just putting the seed now. Next Wednesday, no class, Atakala Pongala. After that, we will have. Start building on the thought. 3 yajnas we have finished. Another 9 more to go. And after 2 more yajnas, there will be only one shlok describing some 5-6 yajnas altogether in that shlok. So maybe all yajnas will not be so elaborately said, giving one verse to all 12 yajnas. It won't be like that. But keep that in a thought. But these 3 yajnas, again, go back and read. And if you have not ordered your green book, please order. This is must in the collection, because such a lucid translation nobody else has given. So these are set of 15 books. You need not buy all 15 books at a time.
Maybe now chapter 4 we are doing, that time you can buy chapter 4. When we go to chapter 5, you can buy chapter 5. 4 and 5 if you buy together online to save the what to say, if it is not free, the service is not free and if you have to pay, then buy
Delivery
together.
charges.
Delivery charges. Yes, my dear. And if you have Chinmay Mission in your town itself, if you're in India, then you can go directly to the mission itself, I think. But it's a must
I
to have.
got the full set version.
Oh,
I got
awesome.
the full
Perfect.
set version. Thana
Awesome.
Center.
Perfect. One must have this. One must have this. So you can buy 4th and 5th for now. No need for those who want. And then to read from that and to get the clarity. Because when masters speak, they speak with that clarity of their experience. What they are seeing, we are not knowing. So it's good to hold on a master's note. Then probably later, once our Sanskrit and all becomes, you all can join me to read Shankar Bhashya. So before coming to this session, I was reading on it. If at all, I have to elaborate on some. But there is so much if we sit to talk on it. But we will go ahead. And today we have done only one verse, doesn't matter. Next week onwards, we are eliminating the Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali. It will be at home, each individual doing on a daily basis now. So class half an hour, if it was done very nicely, you would have escaped. Now every day you all have to do half an hour, not once a week.
But you will give your recording first,
I'm
Varsha.
giving.
Ours will be
I'll give recording, and I'll do wherever possible if there is a bunch of 3, like Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga, maybe a bunch of 3 in one recording. Like that, I'll give different recordings. So you all can easily pick up one recording at a time and do it in one go, rather than for every Shabda, different recording. Otherwise, there'll be so many recordings. Let's end the session.
That Gita Shankara Bhashya means Chinmaya publication, which you showed.
No,
Gita
it's Gita Press. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Hari Om.
Varsha
Thank
ji.
you.
Hari Om, Dr. Varsha.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Hari Om. Hari Om.